Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money to your bank account in Fiverr. So as you can see, we are now here on the seller dashboard, and on the top you could see these four sections: the dashboard, the My Business section, growth and marketing, and analytics. On the top right hand side on your profile logo here, click on billing and payments. After that, you'll be redirected here and you'll see the billing history, the billing information, and the available balances, also the payment methods. So here on the available balances, you'll see your balance, your Fiverr balance, and your Fiverr credits. And here on the payment methods, click on add a payment method. So there are two options, the PayPal and credit or debit card option. And since this is the bank account, just click on that and fill out all these options: your card number, expiration date, security code, your first and last name, and after all that, just click on save and you're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.